What up, Zo? You too. It's your boy Momo from Barber Jacobs, and as you can tell, look, I look disgusting right now. I need some cut. It's been a while since last time I gave myself a haircut because I've been doing a lot of reviews and I didn't really have time for myself. I couldn't really take care of myself, so I need some haircut, guys. I need some help. So this time I just want to go back to the basic, guys. So I just want to give myself basic mid drop fade. That's how everything started. That's how I started my YouTube channel. I just want to give myself mid drop fade and without these 0.5 guards or like number 1.5 guards, that you have to purchase on top of hair clippers that you already bought from like Walmart or like AliExpress. They usually send you like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 guards. So before moving on to the self-cut tutorial, if you're new to my channel, if this is your first time watching my video right now, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of self-cut tutorial content, also like reviewing on hair clippers for beginners as well as AliExpress reviews. So, shall we start? Let's get it, guys. Boost! Okay, the very first step of the self-cut tutorial is to part my hair, and I'm making sure all the hair is in place because sometimes hair is just growing all over the place and you want to make sure everything is neat and nice before you do anything to your hair. Okay, this is continuous steps from last one because I want to make sure I have a clear, organized working space for my hair. So I'm taking out number 4 guard level all the way close. I'm taking out all the bulk. It's highly recommended if you're doing the self-cut for the first time, especially you got to take off some bulk with number 4 guard so that you know where the guidelines are so you don't get lost in the process. Trust me, it's gonna help. And then take out your trimmer, and I'm gonna create my initial guideline across my head. And when I create the initial guideline, I make sure the line is straight and neat. I even like going back and forth, make sure, looking at the mirror to make sure the line is straight because it's gonna affect at the very end. And the line goes drop to the back of my head, and I'm taking off that bulk after that. Okay, take out your hair clippers, and I'm gonna be creating my second guideline with no guard, level all the way open. I'm going up about an inch or even less, so it's approximately around 1.5 centimeters or 2 centimeters even. And I'm making sure that line is parallel to the initial guideline and just goes around my head. As I'm showing my finger, I'm gonna be creating my third guideline, about second guideline, with number 1 guard level all the way open. This time I'm going up about an inch, so I would say between from 2 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters, and I'm making sure the line is parallel to 2 of the other guidelines. Alright guys, now we start to seeing some fading process. So yeah, take out your number 2 guard, level all the way open, and this time I'm gonna be creating 4th guideline ish, but I'm not really creating a harsh guideline, more like I'm taking off the bulk while I'm also blending the fade on the top of my hair, which is the longest length of my hair, which we've created with number 4 guard in the very first steps of this haircut tutorial. Alright, now we're gonna be erasing all the guidelines we've created so far, and we're gonna start off with the bottom guideline, which is the initial guideline. I'll be using no guard, level all the way close, and as shown right here, I'm using that side of hair clippers, which is like the corner of the blade, to flick out that line, and eventually you'll see it. You start to see the blending is coming out, so be patient.
and you got this. Alright, now we want to erase that second guideline right here. So no guard, lever all the way open, and make sure to use corner of your blade to, you know, just going back and forth. Like, use it vertically, don't go horizontally, okay? Like, you know, cut it with a vertical motion to take out that second guideline. And once again, be patient with the steps, otherwise you're gonna create a harsh guideline in this area. So make sure to use the corner of your blade and be patient, and you're gonna start to see nice blend until the third guideline. Now we're trying to erase that third guideline with number 1 guard, lever all the way open. And right here as well, use your vertical motion, use your wrist, use your flick up motion. Don't create harsh guideline, just go back and forth, up and down, up and down, up and down, to make sure the blend comes out clean without creating a harsh guideline. And if you're confused about this flick up motion and also like vertical motion, make sure to leave a comment down below so I can reply to your message, you know, to help you out with your self-cut. We're done with the blending process, so now we're doing the detail work, because we can still see some of that patchy areas, you know, the blend is kind of weak, it's not so clean. So I'm putting number 3 guard, lever all the way open, and close the lever as needed to blend in the fade into the hair on the top more smooth and nice, right? The last step of detailing comes down to number 2 guard, lever all the way close. I'm using the corner of my blade to kind of like doing the bridge work between number 1 guard and number 3 guards, you know, just to have a smooth transition. And that's about it for the haircut. And of course, every haircut I give myself this lineup for my hairline. You should probably do it too. It just makes your haircut 1,000 times better. And if you have a trimmer, you should probably do it for your haircut as well. It just makes you look, you know, haircut so much cleaner, so much look more professional. Everything looks so smooth. So yeah, that's about it. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, guys. This is just an extra step. I just wanted to give myself some design on the side of my hair. I just came up with like random design and just for fun, you know, it's extra step, but it's something that gives unique look to my haircut. So I just wanted to do it for this time. So yeah, that's about it, man.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. What do you guys think about this haircut? And if you like my self-cut tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you very soon, and good luck with your self-cut session. Peace!